Throughout your life, you will lose millions to inflation, and you can't control inflation. But the good news is, by investing in real estate, not only can you prevent losing millions, but you can also make millions. I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal. Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. We've all heard about inflation, but often we underestimate its negative impact on our savings. Inflation is in fact one of the biggest, yet not so obvious barriers in reaching our financial goals. So how big an impact does inflation have on our savings? Over the past 3 decades, the Philippines' average inflation rate is around 3% per annum. Seems minimal, right? But if you consider the cumulative long-term effect, you will see the true impact of inflation. Let's say you save 1 million pesos. After 5 years, the 3% inflation rate actually equates to a 14% cumulative decrease in your purchasing power. This means your 1 million in savings will only be worth 860,000 pesos. Imagine, you've spent the same number of working hours and all the sacrifices that came with it, only to find out that years later, it will be worth a lot less. The bigger amount and the longer you keep your money in the bank, the more you will lose to inflation. Big time. Now, can you control how fast inflation will rise? No. But by investing in real estate, not only can you prevent losing millions, but you can also make millions. And here's why real estate is the best hedge against inflation. First, real estate value appreciates with or more than inflation rate. Why does this happen? Unlike other forms of investments, real estate is tangible with intrinsic value, and the demand for it is relatively stable, because people will always need places to live, work, and play, regardless of inflationary pressures. In fact, with our growing population and economy, some condo developments in Metro Manila have been growing between 10 to 15% year on year for the past 5 years. Second, your home loan is depreciating in value with the rate of inflation. How does this work? For example, kumuha ka ng 15-year home loan where you pay 360,000 pesos a year over the course of the loan term. Same amount ang babayaran mo every year even if the value of money 10 years from now has been reduced by inflation. With our average inflation of 3%, by year 10, the value of the 360,000 you pay annually would be equivalent to paying 268,000 pesos only. It's as if the bank is absorbing the cost of inflation. The next way to hedge against inflation is to hit that subscribe button so you can learn more about the amazing benefits of real estate investing. Third, rental income also adjusts for inflation. For the same reason as why property prices tend to increase, so does the prices of rent. Over the years, the amount of rental income the market is willing to pay also goes up due to inflation. It goes up even faster in rapidly developing areas. Inflation is inevitable, but the best way to rise above it is by investing in real estate so you can protect and make the most out of your hard-earned money. If you need help in getting the best property to hedge against inflation, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!